Are you looking for the best Skywalker trampoline? Trampolines have become a popular backyard staple, offering fun and fitness for kids and adults alike. Skywalker trampolines stand out for their sturdy design, safety features, and variety of sizes to fit any outdoor space. This guide evaluates top Skywalker models based on safety enclosures, build quality, weight capacity, and overall value, helping you choose the best trampoline to keep your family bouncing safely. Product number 1. Skywalker Trampolines 12 feet, 15 feet round trampoline with safety enclosure net. The Skywalker 12 feet and 15 feet round trampolines provide excellent safety with a fully enclosed net system designed to prevent falls. Its galvanized steel frame ensures durability and rust resistance, while the UV-resistant jumping mat withstands outdoor elements. The enclosure net features a patented no-gap design between the trampoline and net, ensuring extra security. Assembly is straightforward, and the padded poles add extra protection during play. Ideal for families wanting a reliable, safe, and spacious trampoline, it supports active jumping and offers great value for the price. Product number 2. Skywalker Trampolines 9-foot, 14-foot, 15-foot trampoline with enclosure, spring pad cover. This Skywalker trampoline model offers versatile size options, including 9-foot, 14-foot, and 15-foot to fit various yard spaces. Its enclosure net with a full zipper entrance ensures secure, safe jumping. The heavy-duty springs and robust frame provide excellent bounce and stability, while the spring pad cover shields users from injuries caused by exposed springs. Its durable construction is ideal for families seeking a balance between fun, safety, and affordability. The trampoline's easy-to-follow instructions make setup convenient for users of all skill levels. Product number 3. ORCC 1200 lbs weight capacity trampoline 16, 15, 14, 12, 10, 8 feet outdoor yard trampolines. Though not branded Skywalker, the ORCC trampoline is a strong contender with an impressive 1,200 pounds weight capacity, accommodating multiple jumpers simultaneously. It comes in various sizes from 8 feet to 16 feet, perfect for different backyard dimensions. Its sturdy steel frame and high-tension springs offer exceptional bounce quality and durability. The enclosure net and spring cover enhance safety during vigorous play. This model is an excellent choice for large families or those who want a trampoline capable of heavy use with maximum safety.
Product number 4. Skywalker Trampoline Outdoor 8 feet, 12 feet, 15 feet, Jump and Dunk Round Outdoor Trampoline. The Skywalker Jump and Dunk Trampoline adds an exciting twist to traditional bouncing by incorporating a basketball hoop, perfect for active kids who love to combine jumping with sports. Available in 8 feet, 12 feet, and 15 feet sizes, this model includes a secure safety enclosure and padded poles to prevent injuries. The trampoline's durable construction withstands outdoor use, while the hoop is adjustable for different skill levels. It's ideal for families seeking a fun, multi-activity trampoline that encourages physical activity and social play.
Product number 5. Skywalker Trampolines for Kids with Enclosure Net. 60-inch indoor-outdoor toddler trampoline with safety padding. Designed specifically for toddlers, this 60-inch Skywalker trampoline offers a safe jumping environment indoors or outdoors. The enclosure net and cushion padding provide maximum protection for younger jumpers. Its compact size is perfect for small spaces, making it a great introduction to trampolining for little ones. The lightweight design allows easy relocation, and the frame is constructed for stability and safety. Parents looking for a toddler-friendly trampoline with high safety standards will appreciate this well-crafted, durable model.